Have you ever created the perfect photo on Gemini only to notice that there is a watermark below that photo like this? Here in this video, I'm sharing with you 3 simple steps for you to remove this watermark. No editing stress, no Photoshop like this. My name is DirectorWiseB. In this channel, I share AI tools, content creators tips, and YouTube growth strategies. So do best to subscribe to this YouTube channel. The first thing that we are going to do is for us to copy this prompt that I'm going to share with you. The prompt says,
use my uploaded image as the only source. Keep my face, body, pose, clothing, expression, colors, and background exactly the same. Now this prompt is trying to create a border in our image, whereby in that border the logo will be inside that border like this. So let's copy this prompt into our clipboard, then go back to Gemini. Click on the plus icon, select photo, and select the photos that is with the watermark below like this. Click on done. We get to paste the prompt we copy so fast. I'm going to drop this prompt on my description box in order for you to copy and do same. Then generate the photo. Let's see our outcome and how the border is going to look like. Yep, this is our result. This is how the border look like. You can see that the watermark is under this white border.
we still have the same size and the watermark is on that white border. So it's only for us to save it, which is the second step. After saving it, we get to crop it. How do we do that? Save the photo, get it to any editing app, start cropping. Note that if you get to copy this prompt on my description to your Gemini and you generate your photo and your watermark is still on your photo, you can adjust that watermark in a sense of numbers. Either you increase the number or you decrease the number based on your photo. Please do best to like this video, comment on this video if you have any question, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you next time. Thank you.